If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions in service. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve connection issues. Close Roblox completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the connection and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update your device. Make sure that your device's operating system and the Roblox app are both up to date. Updates often include fixes for bugs and connectivity issues. Check for updates in your device's settings and install them if available. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking Roblox from connecting to the internet. Check the settings of these programs and ensure that Roblox is allowed to access the internet. You may need to add it to the exceptions list. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Changing your DNS settings can sometimes improve connectivity. Go to your network settings and set your DNS to public DNS server like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. Save the changes and restart your device to see if the connection improves. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most connection errors in Roblox. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from Roblox support or your internet service provider.